This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As we begin the week here, we can see that the cryptos are down, pretty much in sympathy with the stock market being down. And we can see here a strong down day for the cryptos. And as a follow-up to a previous video I did highlighting the S&P 500, and one of the reasons why it's been down recently over the last couple of days has been based on resistance when trying to recapture the RSI 50 level. And here we can see Bitcoin also did come and try and recapture the RSI 50. And you'll notice here that it was rejected with uniform activity, as we can see here. Now, the RSI 50 level also happens to be around where we saw a previous short-term break, if we draw it as such. So again, based on my uniformity method, we can see that that line is also where we get this resistance, happens to be around the RSI 50 level. Oh, I should have pointed out that this was on the daily here. And we can see that depending on how things turn out, if the cryptos go on to slash and stay below RSI 30.9, then that might suggest a continued down movement. Otherwise, what the bulls here want to see is a bounce off the 30.9 level to at least stop the recent slide on a day-to-day basis. Again, anything below 30.9 does suggest a market that is gonna continue net seeing down movement. Now, to be consistent with the previous video, again, this is a follow-up of the same concepts here. We can see that on the MACD, we came here and we tagged the zero line on the MACD. And again, just like we saw with RSI 50, here there was rejection at that MACD zero line. Again, the rejection comes with uniform action, which is the key. The more you understand this, the more you know how to identify reversal areas. There are other ways on this MACD line to come at the same conclusion, which is there's a backtest failure line here. As you can see, we try to recapture the red line and we go above it and back below it with uniform action. Again, the uniform action is the key. What that did confirm was that momentum had shifted back to down action as far as Bitcoin is concerned over the last couple of days. We can also use the uniformity principle here. We can see that there was a recent break right here. We use my uniformity principle. Links are going to be in the description. We check that information of that break, draw a line from there, and that line has been rejected twice. The rejection took place here with uniform activity, happens also to be around that zero line of the MACD, and again rejection right here. So a lot of convergence suggesting that there was going to be a pullback as far as Bitcoin was concerned. And to be clear, that MACD rejection was taking place here and here. Of course, we continue watching that 30.9 level on the MACD. On the RSI, we should determine where the cryptos go in the short term. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.